I can explain, and I'm going to. But before I do, let's listen to this Yamaha starting problem real quick, because as we know, they're unreliable and don't start. Damn, that's crazy. 20-year-old bike, by the way. But the reason I'm saying that is because my original plan today was to take out my ZX-10R. 2018 Kawasaki, right? So 13 years newer than this bike, different brand. Had the exact same garage conditions all winter as this bike. The exact same conditions. Sat right next to it. Both fully up in the air on stands. Both had fuel stabilizer. Exact same conditions. This bike, when I went to bring it out for the winter, like I said, 20 years old, and it's a Yamaha, which have all starting problems. All Yamahas don't start. Started first try immediately. Started right up. I was like, perfect. So I shouldn't have to worry about the other one, right? Because it sat right next to it. It's 13 years newer, and it's a Kawasaki. Kawasaki's don't have problems, right? No, they're perfect. So I thought, great, that should be good too. So today, I finally got it down off the stands, just now for the first time since before winter started. Got it down from the stands, lubed the chain up first, then got it down, put air in the tires, and gave the chain some time. Gave it like 2 hours about. Got on my stuff, got on the bike, wheeled it out of the garage, put all my gear on and got ready. And what do you know? It doesn't start. The battery's dead. All I was getting were clicking noises. It's not dead, it's just weak. So, you Yamaha haters want to explain that one? Who has a starting problem now? Not the Yamaha, not the 20-year-old bike. No, the 7-year-old bike from Kawasaki didn't even start up. And with how low the sun is, I don't have a whole lot of time anyways, and it's not a super easy to get to battery, so I just made an audible, and I'm bringing this bike again today because I don't have time to charge the ZX-10 battery. When I get home, I'll fucking take it apart and get the battery out. I'll plug it in, but like, you guys want to explain that one? Everyone that hates on Yamaha and says they don't start, that's crazy, because for me it seems to be the other way around. So, hey, what would I know? Ridiculous. Yeah, I'm a little mad in case you can't tell. I also had on like my armored NDT hoodie and everything because I was getting back on the 10, which when I wore this shirt, the last time I wore this shirt was the day I wrecked the ZX-10, ironically, but I had on my MBT armored hoodie and everything just to be safe, but it's like 83, 84 degrees out. I'm not wearing it on this bike. Would it have been smart to? Yes, absolutely, but it's too hot. I'm too hot wearing long sleeves. But like I said, I'm a little pissed off and annoyed that bike didn't start. Exact same treatment for both of them, and only one made it through the winter, and it was the Yamaha. So hey, there's a curb there. I'm not sure, they might have just put it in like when they built the road, but they do sneak up on you sometimes. Be careful. What kind of driver are we looking at? Shocker. Shocker. Anyways, yeah, I still wanted to get out and ride because I'm not gonna have much time coming up, so I just grabbed this bike and brought it out. And guess what? It started immediately, even with the gas lit on. Very little gas, it started immediately. So we're gonna go this way. I'm calling instead of taking the same road over and over again. That's the road I was going to take the ZX-10 on, just because it's like a, you know, long straight highway, and I got to get used to it again. But I don't know why, I just thought that bike was going to start like it's supposed to. So for right now, I have one video a week again on Sundays. These ones will be on Sundays too, just because, like I've been saying, there's going to be a big period where I can't ride and make videos. So I'm trying to do at least 1 week so there's no videos at all, because I don't have any shorts or anything like that now that I don't have Instagram. That's where I got all my audios and stuff. So now I don't have that. I don't have any shorts really. I'll have to take them from motovlogs, and those don't happen every single ride. So I'm trying to at least get a full-length video out one a week. Last I looked, tomorrow's not supposed to be good riding weather. Like, it's supposed to be raining all day, so I'm not going to be able to make videos tomorrow, most likely. Which is unfortunate, because I'm not going to have enough to do 2 a week like I want. But for at least a little bit, it's going to be 1 a week. July I should be able to catch up a little bit, just to leave again in August, but it's military life, I guess. I might try to make 3 videos today while I'm out, just because it's super nice, but it's already after 7. The whole ZX-10 issue, I'm later than I wanted to be, because the Stanley Cup final starts tonight at 8, so I want to watch that. At least have it on in the back while I edit my videos. But I might miss, well, usually it takes a little bit to actually get into the gameplay anyways, so it might be good to make 3 videos. I thought you were a child. That guy's like 30. I was wondering why he was walking by himself, but he's more than old enough. I am kind of in the mood to turn onto a road I don't know, just to kind of explore a little bit. But unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of time. I also haven't eaten in 6 hours, I guess. So it's not that bad, but I got used to eating every like 2 to 3. Because like I said, I've been bulking up. That's a heron. I thought someone was flying a drone at first. Oh, Dodge Viper. At the Dairy Queen. They're sitting in it. It says 45. Why are we going under 30? Oh, I can't turn left. That's awesome. I wanted to turn left because I don't want to go this way. Alright, well, I have to go this way now. So this video just got longer. I guess I could have turned around there. Whoops. I think I'm going to go use that turnaround that's pretty close to the lake. And I'll end this one here and start a new one on my own. Of course, there's a sport bike going the other way. I was too worried about if this was a cop up here or not, but they have a roof rack, so it should be good. Yep. side of the road is so shitty, and the left lane is like perfectly fine. I'm getting back in it. Speedometer thingy you guys just saw was AI generated, by the way. Just a disclaimer. That wasn't my actual speed. Ooh, this is nice. Nice little shaded area. Not bad. I shut this bike off. It's probably gonna start right back up. I hope so. Otherwise, a little bit away from home. But I'm gonna turn around here, make another one on the way home, see where we end up. Might just go straight back. I might take a detour or something. What time is it? 7:41. Yeah, I guess I'll just head back home. Yeah, probably not riding tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna head home, make another one, hopefully, and I'll see you then. Later.